Hey folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and I just want to update you on our project here. This is our first level. We're going to pass the basement for now, but anyway, this is the entry for this level. If you remember the photo, and this will go down into the basement. This goes up to the second level. But today we want to focus on the first level. So right here in this area, we're going to have our, let me just tab these views for a minute. Okay, so here we've got our first level here, and this will be our service area, and we've got our floor in here, and we're gonna have a little bathroom here. And so these are our dimensions. Let me just redimension this again, because I added a few more features, especially here, like I didn't get these windows. So I'm just go here, I'm gonna go to annotate, line dimension, entire wall. So just add that wall, and there are those dimensions, and this one here. Well, we got those, so we didn't need that. Can undo that. Okay, so now I guess I can label these now. We'll go to the architecture tab, and I'll go to annotate, and this displace text here. This will be my this is going to be checkout over here. Anyway, I'm going to leave that for now. I just want to make sure everybody's got the right dimensions for this project. This is for our first level. Now we want to go and look at this in our 3D view. So now here we got our model here. We got the first level again, but like I said, we're going to hold off on the second level. So what we want to do here, we're going to just take this guy, we want to orient this to view. We want to orient to view, and I'm going to go floor plans. We're going to grab level 1. Okay, so we want a 3D view of our level 1, so we got it here. So we want to save this guy, and we probably want to put it in a shaded view. So there's our level 1, and this is our store area. So now I'm going to go back into the level 1 floor plan, and we can add a few more things, maybe a little small kitchen here. So we can go into insert tab here, and go load, we can go load gondolas. So we can do a gondola here, but I don't want to do that just now. I want to see if I can get a little kitchen back here in the back area before we start laying things out. And then we need this dimension here. So let's go with, we just tile these windows here. Okay. So this is the model. This is the room we're going to model the first level. We're just going to add a kitchen here, and then we get these dimensions going this way now. I want to go entire wall, and just want to get these dimensions right here. Okay. I'm not going to worry about those too much. Yeah, I do need to get this dimension here. So let's see, let's go with options, centers, width. Okay. Okay. Just don't worry about that for right now. But anyway, we get the idea what we want to do here. We've got our first level ready to go, and now let's go, and we know what type of equipment you're going to have, and I think we can get a lot of it right off of Revit, Autodesk. So I'm going to go to Insert here, I'm gonna load family. And we've got gondolas, so I'm just going to get a two-sided gondola for now. Actually, I want to just load all these because we might need them all. And I want to load these guys up. So here is going to be our checkout area. So let's just place some gondolas here just to see if they'll go. You'll know how they work. Let's just place one for now. Here's the component. It should be there. I'll place that component, and there's one of our gondolas. Probably sit there. But we have to space all that out. But anyway, guys, I just want to get you up to date and up to speed on this project. We're going to continue it on. I think we got a cooler over here. I have some pictures of this, but I don't think you want to see them. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to bring you up to date on this project. We're going to have coolers here. I think we can get them off Autodesk as well. Let me take a quick look. Otherwise, I'll lay this out and model it and see you in the next video. Let's take a quick look here. Oh well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. Hey. So everybody be safe and God bless you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.